Hey, this is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful design using Chalk Couture products. Now we just launched our brand new catalog for spring 2018 where we offer a beautiful line of porcelain steel chalkboards, all of our Chalkology chalk paste, and our brand new couture inks. In addition to that, we have the most amazing screen print reusable transfer that allows you to create these beautiful designs that you are going to see. So this was one I had already created, but since all of our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent, I can absolutely remove this design to create a brand new design on this chalkboard. So I just use water and Clorox wipes and a terry cloth towel to dry that off. So really cool that you can do that. Now I'm going to be using our Today is a Good Day for a Good Day transfer. On the back of all of our transfers, it tells you how to use them. But you can do this on wood, whiteboard, canvas, pillows, so many different designs that I can tell you that when I say that this is home decor without the commitment, it absolutely is, and it is so fun. So the processes are, you're going to open your transfer, and you always want to write on the back of your transfer so you know which side is the backing, because like I mentioned, all of our transfers are reusable. You're going to do something called fuzzing it up, and that just means applying it to a terry cloth towel. Then you're going to apply it to your surface. Now you want to make sure there are no air bubbles within the screen print area of your transfer before you apply your chalk paste or your brand new couture ink. So today I'm using our elephant gray and mint green. Now, like I mentioned, the chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. So once you do this design, it is going to remain there until you want to change it. Or if you want to, you can absolutely seal this with any kind of clear sealer that you can buy at any local hardware store or craft store. So just applying my chalk paste, and you don't need a lot. Any excess you want to make sure you put back in your jar. When you remove your transfer, you don't ever want to peel from the corner. You either want to peel from the top to the bottom or side to side, and then you have that beautiful design. Now the cleanup process, again, is super easy. You just put it in water. You need your Clorox wipes and your terry cloth towel. You wipe off any excess that is left on your screen print, wipe off the back, you leave it sticky side up, and then you let it dry to reapply the backing so that you can use it again for future use. So super easy, and you can create beautiful designs using Chalk Couture products. If you'd love to learn more, chalkinwithjen.com is my website. I'd love to share this with you.